Well, it's all baggy now. You can see all the lines.
Well, it doesn't matter, doesn't it? How's that? Is that right?
That's better. Well, no, leave it. Yeah, that'll do.
We got it. It's poking out there then. We can see your kitchen, can't
it's
we?
fucking stupid, isn't it? We're going to be following on today from our bit about ASMR last week, because there's a new thing we found, isn't there, Dad?
There is, that's right.
And what's it called?
It's called, I had to write it down because it's such a weird name. It's called Mukbang.
Mukbang.
And I was going to spell that for you. Mukbang. It makes no sense at all to me.
Mukbang.
I don't know what that. Where's that
Well, we
from?
do know what it is, because it's like these people who eat things on the internet. So,
and that's all they do,
they
isn't
just
it?
film eating.
They just literally eat. As far as we can see, I mean, we're going to give it a go, aren't we?
Yeah,
You just eat stuff,
And
then we talk about if we like it,
yeah,
don't we?
and they you know they make the sounds of the eating and everything, like, you know. So
Do I need to put the special microphone in for the ADSMR stuff then? So it's like a blend of mukbang and ADSMR, is it? A little fluffy one like that, you see, and it just accentuates the
Mukbang ASMR.
We've kind of upgraded a little bit, haven't we?
And then we got paid a bit for advertising, so we were able to buy this microphone.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Some advertising we did.
Was that Bisto?
From influencers.
It was the Bisto, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The Bisto people. Thank you for that, Bisto people.
We've both decided we like crisps.
We do love crisps.
So we've got an array of crisps here, different ones that we haven't had before. I'm going to do
flavours. Watch this. I'm going to do a crisp flyby. There's some crisps there, and then we've got some other crisps there. That's right. Okay. Well, crisp carousel here. These are the crisps that are coming up.
We can start with that one.
Here we go.
That's Chip Shop Curry Sauce.
Right, by McCoy's.
McCoy's. So these are curry flavoured.
They're noisy, aren't they? They are noisy crisps. This is all part of them.
Smell them.
What's that? The bouquet on there.
Oh, that's nasty, that is. That's like,
That's feet, you know, it's feet involved.
That's bit different.
And they're ribbed.
Yeah.
They're ribbed. For your pleasure.
Yeah.
That's right.
There you go.
Alright, let's have a go. We're going to eat them now. Oh, do we not eat them by the microphone? Make the sound for ADSMR. Get right in there, Janet. Go on. Oh, yeah.
They taste more fishy than curry, don't they?
Fishy feet sort of blend going on there.
Bit greasy as well, yeah. No.
Don't say I like them. Don't say I like them because we got to discover this live on air, so they get to enjoy us.
Yeah, but we know we like these, so why don't we have them?
Say we like them. We don't know yet.
Well, McCoy's again.
That's
nachos.
Right. So this is like the taste of
nacho cheese.
Mexico, isn't it? Taste of Mexico. Nacho cheese flavour.
Nacho cheese flavour.
So this is also part of Mukbang. I think it's basically the whole experience. Listen to this opening. Listen to it opening up.
Oh, there you go.
Look, hang on, look, do that.
Oh, yeah.
Do that, because that's quite funny. Happy. I'm happy with them, but I'm, am I sad?
Yeah.
From a fun point of view, from a design, I quite like that. You can do ears, you can do happy and sad. Do a necklace like that. You got to do it in the microphone.
Yeah, I keep forgetting. I just think they're hot.
Not that hot. Not that hot.
And they're a bit, I don't know, they're very cheesy. Oh, I don't know, they hit the back of your throat, don't they?
How about the noise? Good noise?
They make a good noise.
Good noise.
They're like got a bubble in them.
So good for, is that good for Mukbang? Because the noise.
Mukbang,
No, Mukbang is not that. That's ADMSR, isn't it?
But mixed with Mukbang, because we know a lot about all of this now.
It's a bit like the old Millennium Falcon, isn't it? From Star Wars. So, I'll tell you what, in summary, you'll like this, Janet. Listen, don't do that. Listen, bit of a mixed bag. Do you know what I mean? Bit of a mixed bag because you didn't like the taste that much. No, I thought it was a bit bland.
I just don't like them.
You didn't like them, but I like the shape and we like the sound of them. So there we go.
Right.
Do you know, like this wine connoisseurs You know, they cleanse their palate, don't they, between having wine
Well, I
tasting.
got some. Should we do that with
No,
some
I've
wine?
been
I've got
cleansing my
some
palate
wine.
with some coffee, but you haven't been doing that. So it's all going to taste like the first lot of crisps you had, isn't it? Everything's going to taste the same now, isn't it? Because
Well, I'll get myself some water.
do you not think
then.
you should cleanse your palate?
Behind the set here. You probably see me.
You
Can
can't.
you see me?
I can't. We can't see you.
Oh,
Can,
okay. There we go.
I can a bit actually.
You can now.
There we go.
Flaming hot Cheetos.
Oh my
Quite
God! Look,
tasty, aren't they?
I like that. It's a
And
bit.
now that's quite
Oh, look, hang on,
fun.
look, let's do swans. Let's do get down
don't
like
we
that.
like
No,
a
let's do
swan?
swans. Hello, swans.
Da-da-da-da-da. Let's have a bite.
Right. Into the microphone for ADSMR fans. Do you know something? My and
I don't know.
no, I don't like them either.
You could do earrings, yeah.
So if you don't, hang on, can you get yours caught in?
Can't get it in.
Well, I mean, you probably wouldn't because they're not actually earrings, but you probably could.
There. We've got squares.
We've got squares
today.
coming up. Look, who makes those?
Walkers.
Walker
There
squares. Ooh, there we go, nice. You have to close your eyes. Do you know what I'm getting? I'm getting the smell of
Fish.
no, not fish. The smell of the foil of this packet. I'm not getting anything else. I can just smell a packet smell. I'm gonna have a go. Oh, you like it? You've gone. Janet's
I like
gone.
these.
Oh, she's gone.
Yeah.
Well.
Oh, nice, those are.
Oh yeah. You show it to people.
I'm eating
No,
them.
I know. Just wait. You're not going away. Squares by Walkers. We like those. I think design-wise, that's also a bit boring. Look at that. You judge at home. I just think
Oh yeah, but
packet-wise,
the nice thing is,
it's a bit boring. I mean, like there's two
no,
rows.
but the nice thing is having it boring though is the excitement inside because you think they're going to be boring and they're not.
Your
They're really
expectations
nice.
have gone down. Yeah, but you have it in them. No, wait. You've had about 10 of them. If these two are on the shelf together like that, right? Whoa! Look at that one. Looks so exciting, colours-wise and everything. This was like, ooh, a bit so new. What about get off? What about me? I'm just a bit. Look, it's gonna win, isn't it? So that's just my opinion, Janet. All right, you can have the crisps now. Yeah, go on, stuff them in your gob. Go on. You've had enough of those because if you cleanse your palate, because otherwise you won't be able to judge. Cleanse it. Don't have any more.
I like them.
I know, but just
I like them.
chipsticks, everybody. These are made by Smiths. Can you put them down? So we concentrate upon these. Just put them down. Put them over there.
I want
Put them
one.
over. Just put them over there. Hang on. Right. Do you want them now? Yes. If we want to do this
It
properly.
was really
If you
mean.
want to do a mukbang properly,
It was a
right?
really nice crisp.
But that's not the point of this. The point of this is to judge stuff.
No, I don't
because
care.
people are.
I haven't eaten all day.
Well, you made up for it now, haven't you? Do you want some of those? There's a few left. They're not
No.
quite so square anymore.
No.
Ready? Here we go. They're quite nice. Yeah. Is that quite nice?
Nice sound.
Don't sulk about it.
Well,
You're
I
getting a
don't
bit sulky,
anymore.
aren't you? You're alright. Go on then, Janet, have a chip. Excuse me. That wasn't the right attitude, was it? Look, a chip.
I used to have these at school. They're called chipsticks.
Well, I know this. Just on there now. Chipsticks.
Oh,
Do you like those?
no. Not as nice as those other ones.
But not. How about from a nostalgic point of view? Because it reminds you of your school. Because sometimes those tastes, do you not think, viewers, if they remind you of things from when you were young, they make you feel a bit cosy. So does it remind you of nice?
No.
Not at all.
No.
It does me a little bit. It does remind me of being at school. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I wonder why. Why does that remind you of being at school?
I don't know.
Why would that remind you of
I have
being
no
at
idea. Are you trying to be some sort of
school?
innuendo?
I don't know.
There's
You
nothing
tell
fun.
me.
There's nothing innuendo
You
about
did that
that.
in a very strange way, Dick, didn't you?
What? Put a chip in my
Oh
mouth?
yeah, it's the way you put it in your mouth. Why
I
would
just
that
put it-
remind you of school?
Because it's just like chip, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can't do.
I bet.
Don't do innuendo. It's not. That
Not-
doesn't work
no,
as an
no,
innuendo, does
no,
it?
you
Just putting that in my
saw
mouth.
the
There's
way
nothing
you did it.
sexual about that,
Saw
is
the way
there?
you did it.
Oh yeah.
There you go. No, it was more. They always remind me of school.
No, I didn't do it like that. You've done it like that.
These are called Cheetos. Crunchy cheese flavour.
Do the crunch by the machine.
Oh no, those are our.
You're right. That's right. It's horrible. Are they out of date or something?
Horrible. Oh my god.
Oh god, who made those? Shit.
And now here's our favourites. Because everybody knows
Don't say
these.
favourites
Well,
because
they
we
They're our
don't know yet.
favourites.
It's part of the
They're
surprise.
by
It's part of the
Walkers. So
surprise.
Walkers win hands down.
We might not like them. We might not like them.
No,
We might
Walkers
not
win
like them.
hands down. We like a what's it. There we go. Oh. Nah.
Here we go.
Good old what's it. Can't beat the what's it.
Yes, here we go. No, let me have my own opinion too. Looks, do you know they look smaller than they were when I was a kid? I mean, that looks huge now, but only because I put it in its perspective.
Yeah,
innit?
they used to be a bit fatter, didn't they? They used to be.
They're that tiny, didn't they? That's just my normal finger there, and it looks widdly. I'm not 100% convinced.
Well, you always have them in your sandwich bag.
No, I
so
don't.
you
I have
do.
Aldi's version. They're called cheesy puffs.
What's
Now-
the same thing?
No, it's
Aldi
not.
Copy them,
That's my
didn't
point.
they?
The cheesy puffs ones from Aldi, I think are better than the original What's-Its from Walkers. So that's interesting, isn't it? That the originals have got smaller. I don't think they're as tasty as the new kids on the block from Aldi. The cheesy puffs.
Out of
Where's
all
the
of
winning
these
packet?
today,
Where's the winning
packet?
packet?
It's the one you exploded on the floor down there that I enjoyed eating
Hang on,
from.
I did. This is the winners. Winners today.
These stamped on.
I save you from yourself, to be honest, Janet. The winners today are Squares crisps
Yeah.
for taste and for sound, but our criticism, would you not agree?
And for crunchability.
And crunchability, but they could do a bit better on their design. And I
Yeah,
think
that's it. That's all we need to say now.
all right.
All right, that's it.
Okay.
All right,
Hope
bye.
you enjoyed it.